stopped.
What?
The other one stopped.
Oh, why? You did.
No, maybe he's picking up some cargo or something.
You did. Me, that one's gone. Me, that one was short.
That was short.
Yeah. Is it gonna go soon? We never saw a twin dolphin in real life. Where is it going?
What are you Carter, what are you going to do when you grow up?
Drive a train at a crossing gate. And I'm going to park my train at a roundhouse.
Oh, at a roundhouse? That's a good idea.
It's gonna be a steam engine.
I like steam engines.
It's gonna be an old one. Here it comes. It's gonna be really close. See, that train's going really close.
Is he going slow?
Yeah. It's going fast. Yeah.
Remember to wave. Well, he's not there yet, Carter. But he blew his whistle at you guys.
Yeah.